In this video, we are going to show you how to access your Shopify admin dashboard. Now, if you are looking in your store, right, this is our store. This is by default what you're going to see, right? And if you want to go to the dashboard without clicking anything here and you're kind of confused, if you're new to Shopify, it's very easy. Of course, you need to be signed in. Make sure that you're signed in, because if you're not signed in, you won't be able to actually go to the dashboard, right? So in this page, if you go to the search bar of your browser, right, it's going to be the link to your store, right? So how do you go from here to the dashboard? It's very easy. All you need to do is /admin and then press enter. And again, like what I said, you need to be logged in, because if not, it's not going to work. And as you can see, we are now in our admin dashboard of our Shopify account. So as you can see here, again, I will always make you look to the left, because this is going to be your main menu. You have orders, products, customers, marketing, like everything you need to manage your store is here. That's why it's called the admin dashboard. So it's very easy. That's pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We will see you on the next video.